had a son that graduated from there in 2012, and I love the support and the educational program that Horizon offered. So when I had another child, it was no brainer for me. I wanted her to be in Horizon Science.
I like the smaller ratio to the teachers. I feel like there's not a ton of kids in the classroom, so it's a little easier for them to work one-on-one with them.
One of the things that brought us to Horizon was the smaller classroom sizes, but also the concentration on science as well as math. And I've seen my son grow tremendously in those areas.
They took their time with children. They were more patient with children that needed extra help.
We have an open door policy. Anytime a parent wants to have a conference or need to meet with a teacher, it's a phone call away.
Very calm, very open teacher-parent relationships. So that probably is the best thing for me, because then I can be very active as a parent and allow my kids to get the best experience at school. So with them having that open communication allows me to feel comfortable.
They address any concerns that I have. They always provide me feedback. If she does something well, they'll reach out to me sometimes on their own. So the communication is excellent.
When I say Horizon is like family oriented, it's over here and beyond with that.
We don't just have a general way of doing things. Every family have different situations, and we do whatever we can to meet them where they're at.
We offer free lunches, offer different programs to get these kids able and going. We even have guidance counselors in that school that are trained in diverse cultural problems. No matter what the culture, they kind of power through and go through it.
We have our community, our families, our students, and our school all working together to be as inclusive as possible.
So CYSP, Concept Young Scholars Program, so they're trying to make them more well-rounded people and make sure that they're more well-rounded and just outside of academics, but in total personality, sports, everything.
The kids that go to CYSP are mostly the kids that really want to learn and be a part of the community even, you know, because of the different tasks they have to perform.
And I like that they have the tutoring programs. They are closer to the teachers than when they need help with their homework, or because when the parent is not available or I'm too busy, the teachers make their availability open, make time for the student.
They do community service, field trips, they do group assignments amongst themselves. There's some parent engagement activities where they invite us in to be part of different activities.
When she comes home and she talks about their meetings, I think that she really enjoys it because that gives them an opportunity to express things that they would like to bring into the school or things that they would like to do at school.
I really like the fact that CYSP builds the students' confidence to go out in the community and seek out experiences and things that they wouldn't perhaps necessarily receive if they weren't with a CYSP mentor.
Children in the poorer parts of this town, they gave them a choice as far as what kind of schools to go to. A lot of them could not afford private schools, ever. Our system is, in my opinion, a better choice.
My expectation was for my daughter to have a quality education, to learn and excel and be a remarkable scholar, and Horizon has met all my expectations. My daughter has been a straight A student every year from 1st to 7th grade. The teachers are very supportive, they're very knowledgeable, they tap into her strengths, they're very in tune with her and her educational needs, and that's helped her be very successful.